So you told the people earlier that you are actually going to be branching out now where people can come and get like local produce.
Yes.
And they can also use this space downtown
Yes.
as a hub to also work out, you know,
Absolutely.
relax after the
Yes.
traffic.
Yes,
Talk to me about
so
that.
this
Why-
is
where
the
idea
wellness
came from?
hub. Well, you know, wellness is holistic, right? And so for me, it would be very singular to only be able to offer nutrition and food. When you are transforming your life, it has to be mind, body, spirit. And so if you notice, Marketplace, we had the workouts. So we have Well Fit Wednesdays on a Wednesday morning at the Marketplace. It's actually free to the public because, you know, wellness should be free. I think we have this misconception that in order to be well, it is expensive, and that couldn't be further from the truth. So I think this is another manifestation of that place and that space. Up at Skyline, we have Move on the Mountain, we have yoga on the mountain, we have mindfulness on the mountain. So this is just, it couldn't be a space. There's no way I would have launched into a third location without being able to offer a holistic wellness hub. And so we're really excited about that. I know people struggle with like, where can I find healthy food that is not too expensive, that I can trust where it comes from, it's organic. So this is a space. You pick up your produce, you come for your workout.